and in this video of Dutch Theme Park Network we will show you our room. Let's go in. Yesterday we checked in at the Safari Resort Hotel of Safari Park Beekse Bergen in Hilvarenbeek. When you arrive at our Safari Resort Hotel, you don't need to go by guest services, because one day prior to your arrival you will receive an email with your personal PIN code to enter your room. And look at this amazing view. Every hotel room in this hotel has a view of this savanna with all kinds of wildlife animals.
It's raining now, so they're hiding. These savannas have ostriches, zebras, rhinos,
giraffes,
and
some kind of deers, but they're not inside right now. Here outside on the terrace you find a seating area for 5 persons, because we have a 5-person room, and a seating area with 2 relaxed chairs for some reading or enjoying your cup of coffee. Let's go inside. Inside you find a TV with Netflix, YouTube and Chromecast. Inside you find the control panel. Here you can set the temperature. You can only do this if the door to the terrace is closed. Also you can set the lighting in different scenes. Day, lounge, African night and all lights off.
And the funniest thing in this room is the doorbell.
But this is not only just your doorbell, it's also the way you communicate. If you select cleaning required, the doorbell will light up white. If you select do not disturb, the doorbell will light up blue. A nice feature is the walking lights. Inside we find a seating area with 2 comfortable chairs and 3 side chairs. And for the people who know us, we are crazy about board games, so we brought ourselves some animal themed board games. The bed is quite soft but really comfortable. And as a complimentary gift we received 2 safari hats.
If you want to turn on the lights in the bathroom or in the toilet, then you need to push on the top of the switch or on the bottom of the switch. On the top you turn the lights on the bottom you turn the lights off, but it takes a while. This room has an amazing big bath.
A nice tray in the bath so you can have yourself a drink.
And a rain shower, separate from the bath, so you can shower or take a bath. No need to take a shower in the bath.
And a separate toilet.
For some reason they gave us a 5-person room, so we have this entire room and we don't use it, but it's nice if you want to know what a 5-person room looks like.
With a bunk bed and a separate single bed. And a lot of storage room in all these closets.
Complimentary tea, coffee and stone cups and glasses. So no need to use the paper cups, they're there, but you can also use the cups and the glasses. There was complimentary water with this room, so we store the water in
the mini fridge.
Yes.
And of course there's a hairdryer and a safe. What do you think of this room?
2 thumbs up.